everybody, we are on our way to Hidden Falls Adventure Park. It's in Marble Falls. There is a Bronco meet, and it's being held by Texas Bronc Buster. Some of you may know who he is. He's making a lot of billet aluminum aftermarket parts for the Bronco for certain things that get broke when you have to lift it and you put bigger, heavier wheels and tires on there. There's some things that are starting to break, and this guy is on the ball. He is actually fabricating his own parts to strengthen up that front suspension, that front IRS, steering rack, several other parts that he's doing. But he's holding this, and then afterwards they're doing a barbecue out in Fisher, Texas. So I'm running a little behind, so I'm gonna go ahead and make up some time, and we'll get there soon. So we're in line. I got here a little bit later than what I wanted to, but we're in the Bronco. Two more Broncos just pulled up. A nice black diamond right here. This one's got his fenders removed, another cactus gray. So we're here a little bit late, but it's gonna be a fun day today. You see we got a line up here. I know the sun's kind of in the way, but anyway.
I guess by a raise of hands, how many is this the first time out? Okay. Have any of you guys done anything with your Bronco or been off rodeo? Okay, so first time. Sweet. All right. So we got a few people. This is very first time. We're gonna have them go. I recommend the first group that wants to go the easy stuff. They're gonna follow Frank this morning. We'll kind of split it up after lunch. We're trying to be back here about 12:31. Rule number one, keep the guy behind you in sight. So if you don't see him in your rear view mirror, slow down. Then the vehicle in front of you, they don't likewise, so we can keep everybody together.
So normally when you turn your camera on, if you go over 5 miles an hour, it'll automatically turn it off. But there's certain off-road modes that you can go into, and it will leave your camera on. And this helps whenever your view's obstructed or you're pointing straight up into the sky. Really helps out a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and lock that rear diff. I see some of them are having a little bit of problem, just a little bit of trouble, just slight up there. I am not a Sasquatch, so I got a little bit less.
I'm gonna take the left lane if you want.
Here we go. I have a little, hit that skid plate. Got a little bit less ground clearance than these guys with the Sasquatch package. I'm not sure the trim on this one in front of me, but he's definitely got the Sasquatch package. So the Outer Banks comes with 32-inch tires, whereas the Sasquatch comes at 35s. Tested out the skid plate again. So now the four-door Outer Banks, the gray that I'm in, Cactus Gray, belonged to, I actually got that for Mrs. Gone in 60, but this week, I guess I'll let the cat out of the bag. I bought another Bronco. It's a two-door Outer Banks. It's a Lux package, 2.3 liter, and she's decided to take that one. So it's a really nice one. I got some wheels and tires coming for it, and I did have the hardtop on it is clear coated in dark gray metallic now. It looks really, really good. So I'll be bringing that to the channel.
Or you're like me and you're always on loss. Hashtag no loggery.
Yeah, so you heard that. We have a couple of vehicles that don't have lockers, and I spoke with one gentleman earlier, and he said he did fine. He said he's been all in and out the trails, and without his locker, he said he did fine. So I really hope the camera doesn't take all of the steepness out, because this going downhill and pretty soon going uphill. I know you can see up in the horizon. We're gonna go pretty far up. Says right now we're at an 8-degree slope going down. Looks like we're about an 9-degree slope now. Woo! Decisions. There you go. You got up it. And this is why I took the bypass, guys.
Why? How do you go around? Oh, is there a bypass right there?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, so we met back up with a group. Some of them went left, and majority of us went to the right. You know, if you got a stock or, you know, non-Sasquatch, it was a smart thing to do, believe me. But it's really, really steep. It's really awesome. Kind of scary at the same time. Got the adrenaline going. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, just tested out the skid plate right there. All right, let me practice on my line, guys. Sorry about that. All right, we may have damaged the muffler. Good thing about that is we have a second high clearance muffler. So they got us free. Stick to the left and go inspect the damage. Yeah, I think I will be putting the other muffler tip on. It's a low clearance tip, so unfortunately this one looked good, but it's not very functional when you go off-roading. And this is what I just came down when I got the muffler damage.
No, that's a 4 or 5 foot drop for perspective.
4 or 5 foot drop?
It doesn't look like that on camera.
Yeah, no, the camera takes that angle out for sure.
These are really, these are hiking shoes.
Oh, you're good. Nice and slow.
There it is.
Your mirror, close your mirror.
Can't reach it.
Oh, shit. Turn your wheel driver. Nice and slow. There you go. Let it fall.
Amazing. And of course he looks like he's got at least 35s or 37s, and I'm on the 32.
Right there. And then just slowly go
That is crazy.
Let it stop. Right the brake. slowly, as slow as you can. You're gonna let it slowly fall off that rock. Your back passenger, nice and easy. Brake, hard brake.
Yep, that's what I did.
There you go.
You on your bumper.
That's like I would run out. Is this a 22?
22.
You gotta take the rear sway bar off. You get an extra 1.5 inches.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I took mine off of mine. Extra 1.5 inches.
But I have the, you talking about that trailing bar?
The rear sway bar.
Brake,
Yeah, the little
brake,
crooked
brake,
one?
brake.
Yeah.
Nice and easy, nice and easy.
Yeah, take that off. I took it off of mine. I got an extra 1.5 inches almost. Of
Clearance.
I got it,
Easy
bro.
work, easy work.
Like that. Like that.
All right, so we just got back and I'm checking out the damage report here. Not too bad. I think it's just my muffler tip that got crushed. So I'll be replacing that. I think I got a low clearance one that came with the kit anyway that I can put on, but yeah, muffler tip's not happy. I have to say the Cooper tires were amazing. These are 275 55 20, and they're Cooper Discovery AT3 and their XLT, and I mean these really quiet on the road, excellent traction, excellent just basically reviews for traction on and off road, and they're very quiet. Can't hear them. All right, we're here with the Texas Bronc Buster, and this gentleman is the reason why we're all out here today. He got this together. He's sponsoring the barbecue later on, and what's going on, man? What's new? You're a bit of a celebrity, so I told you, yeah, I'm kind of starstruck here, but what you got anything new coming out or anything you want to talk about?
Oh, we're definitely working on some stuff. You'll be seeing here pretty soon. My wife's next week's going to be a little bit taller, let's say.
Okay.
So we're trying to do something nobody else has done on that one. But no, we're out here today because, my wife and I, we've been traveling all over the country doing stuff. We want to get back here to our Texas roots. And so we said, you know what, let's do some off-roading. And it was a lot bigger than I thought. When we first, it was going to be just a few of us. So it's kind of cool. I think we got at least 40 rigs or so out here today. And going to have a good time tonight with some barbecue. And just, yeah, it's just fun getting out and hanging out with everybody. So it's all about community and the people we hang out with. So
Hey, much appreciated, man. It was really fun. And yeah, definitely all my followers, they'll follow you on Instagram and on your YouTube channel, and we'll keep it together. Hopefully we can do this again.
absolutely.
Much appreciated.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, so I'm done with Hidden Falls today, the event. They're still out there. They are actually going on a second trail ride after lunch. I left after lunch. I want to say special thanks to Texas Bronc Buster. He is the one who put this together. Also at 5 p.m. they're headed out to Fisher, Texas, and they're gonna go eat barbecue, and he sponsored that. So he does have one other event coming in January, and it's going to be to to support veterans. Hopefully Mrs. Gone in 69 can make that one also. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Gone in 60, and we'll see you soon.